What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we will be talking about how to time altcoin season, what things should we be looking at and expecting for us to prepare for altcoin season before it gets here. You want to be prepared before altcoin season arrives. But before we get into the topic of today, first let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, Bitcoin right now is still above $60,000. It's $60,500. The Bitcoin dominance is continuing to pump up. It's 56.6%. The Fear and Greed Index is holding steady at 56, but it is starting to creep up. A few weeks ago, just last week, we saw the Fear and Greed Index in the 30s, so folks are really starting to take cryptocurrency and Bitcoin serious. They was buying in the dips. Some folks even sold in the dip, I was reading. And now they're kicking this up. They're upset, but that's because they're new. They don't understand the 4-year cycles, and they're not subscribed to your boy Stock Holiday like y'all are. So Ethereum dominance right now is 14.8. It's holding steady. It's a little bit lower than where it was a few weeks ago. A few weeks ago, the Ethereum dominance was at 17%. That's a big dip going from 17% down to 14%. But let's go ahead and get into the topic of the day. The topic of the day is how do I time altcoin season? Well, we know there's been a lot of positive news going around in the cryptocurrency market. Just most recently, Russia President Vladimir Putin just signed into law legalizing cryptocurrency and the mining of cryptocurrency, the mining of Bitcoin. That is monumental. That is huge. We also know most recently that the spot Bitcoin ETF was passed earlier this year. The Ethereum ETF was passed months ago. A lot of large institutions are buying in right now. A lot of the banks are buying into cryptocurrency. So things are really starting to move in a positive direction. Super cycle is still happening. We're still in the midst of it. Now we understand that Bitcoin moves very aggressively. Bitcoin can also move very quick. We've most recently seen Bitcoin run up 4,500 bucks, $5,000 in one day. So when Bitcoin really starts to run, it could, man, we can mess around and see $80,000 in a matter of a couple of days. That's just how fast and how aggressive Bitcoin can run when it really starts to press the accelerator. So we definitely want to make sure we got our bags packed. We definitely want to make sure that we're preparing for altcoin season, because you don't want to be late to the gate. You don't want to be late to the game, but you want to be prepared. You want to have everything in place and situated before altcoin season start. New cryptocurrency millionaires are always made in altcoin season, but you have to start buying before altcoin season happens and occurs. So that's why we are continue to share with y'all how to plan, how to get ready, what things to look for, encouraging y'all to buy the dip, so forth and so on. So post Bitcoin halving, there's always an altcoin season. As of right now, we are probably about 100 days after the altcoin season. Still fairly early, but you know, you never want to wait to the last minute. Typically about 200 days after the Bitcoin halving, about 7 months after the Bitcoin halving, is when we start to see the Bitcoin dominance start to dip. So that's typically October or November. We should be expecting the Bitcoin dominance to start to dip. But as of right now, the Bitcoin dominance will be continuing to increase. So that's what it's going to do. It may even increase past 60% dominance, but we know typically, like we always do, we given what the market has shown us, we given what the previous cycles have shown us, and that's how we are projecting and predicting what will be happening in the future. So 6 to 7 months after the Bitcoin halving, we're expecting the Bitcoin dominance to start to decline. That's when altcoin season and altcoins should start to increase. So October, November, we will be expecting that to happen. If you look at the chart today, you see Celestia. Celestia is up 17% in one day. Zcash is up 16% in one day. Crypto.com coin, that Crow coin is up 16% in one day. That's a coin that I've been talking about since it was 5 cents. That coin was beat down. The previous cycle when Crypto.com, when that coin was introduced, we was trying to run that coin all the way up to $1, but it got rejected. Bear market came and it's just been getting beat down like all the other altcoins. But that is a coin that a lot of folks are underestimating. Crypto.com is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges around. You could turn on the Los Angeles Lakers game. You see Crypto.com all over the floor, all over the players' uniforms. You watch the boxing or the UFC fights on the weekend. You see Crypto.com. They're sponsoring this. They're sponsoring that. Crypto.com is going to be one of those coins that really surprised a lot of folks in this upcoming bull market. Similar to how Binance was one of the first cryptocurrency exchanges. You can look at that BNB coin. That BNB coin is now number 4 or 5th largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. Currently, Crypto.com coin is number 30, so it's still got a lot of room to grow. It is a heck of a play. The other one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges is COINBASE. COINBASE is trading on the traditional stock market. It don't even have a crypto coin, but it's already pumping. It's already exploding. It's doing its thing over there in the traditional stock market. So Crypto.com coin, you guys want to place that on your radar. You may want to get a little bit of skin in the game because it will be surpassing the $1 mark where it was rejecting at during the previous cycle. So we've been buying dollar cost averaging in that thing back when it was a nickel a few months ago. Currently right now it is just below 10 cents. So it will be a easy 10x when it get to $1. We're expecting it to surpass the $1 mark, and who knows where it will go after that. Look at Sweetcoin. Sweetcoin is up 10% on the day, up 32% on the week. Injective is up 10% on the day. Helium coin have been killing it. Helium coin, the number 65th largest cryptocurrency coin. That coin today is kicking butt. It's up 9% on the day, and it is up 35% on the week. It's at $6.11. The all-time high for Helium is about $50 or $60. That thing will easily surpass its all-time high. Helium Mobile, those coins are really going to do great things, but time in altcoin season, you definitely want to make sure you got your plays locked in. You want to make sure you buy these dips. Don't worry about trying to chase the top or buy the top. There's always going to be a correction. There's always going to be a dip for you to buy, but you definitely don't want to wait too late. We only about 100 days after the Bitcoin halving. Like I mentioned earlier, typically we push about 200 days past the Bitcoin halving to when we really start seeing altcoin season get into explosive mode. So don't wait too late. Dollar cost average in, get that dry powder set, and you definitely want to make sure you do the proper research, trust the charts, trust the doggone cycles, and like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great community of like-minded folks who love to talk about cryptocurrency all day. You got access to me via the direct message inbox over there in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. Coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.